Hey guys!
Hi everyone and welcome to today's exciting adventure.
Yes, we are here at Chessington World of Adventures to have a awesome weekend. So we went with the nachos from the Lone Star Tex-Mex.
They look good but they're all falling off, it's so full.
Yeah, you need to start eating. They're good all? Yeah?
Pulled pork's always a win. Now that we've finished those awesome nachos, we're going to head over to the coffee hut so that we can get some more Mardi Gras treats.
What do you want?
Lollipop cake.
You want a lollipop cake?
I want the king cake, the Mardi Gras cake slice. Yeah, let's get it. Okay, so Ollie's not a fan. We thought it was a cake pop, it's not, it's cheesecake on a stick.
Mmm! Good? Mmm. So for the cake pop and the cake that we're going to show you in a second, that came to what? £5.10
with the Merlin
with the Merlin
discount.
Yeah.
It's like a mango cheesecake with white chocolate.
Oh, okay.
It's really refreshing. King cake!
We're going to find a lot.
Got it! It could be there!
Wow, what am I supposed to do with this?
We didn't get any forks.
No, we didn't.
Good luck with that.
Break it?
Yeah, you got it. Good?
It's like cream cheese frosting with icing over it, and all the swirls are cinnamon.
I really like it.
Okay. And it's all cinnamon swirly. How good is that?
Yeah, that was thumbs up.
No thumbs up.
That's a really big thumbs up.
So as part of the Rawson weekend, Chessington are going to take us now behind the scenes to get to see some animals. So we're in the room, you'll see the room later on, but we forgot to record a few things. It kind of, the whole thing took over, didn't it, the day?
It was such an amazing day.
Yeah, so we didn't have time to film some of it. So we're going to talk to you a little bit more about what happened and what things look like, because we just kind of was like, oh, animals.
Starstruck by them, weren't we?
So first of all, tigers.
Yeah, they've got the best enclosure here at Chessington. It's just amazing.
Yeah.
And they were telling us they don't have the same day any day, so each day is different for the tigers. So they're not fed on the same day, they're not in the same enclosures or the same dens. Like, it changes all the time, so they've got such a good variety.
Yeah.
We've seen them walking around lots of times. We saw them today walking around, but the best bit is we got to go backstage. They'd just been fed and they were fast asleep in the dens, and we got to see all 4 of them sleeping.
Yeah.
It was so cool. We were
good.
like this far away from tigers.
How cool's that, buddy?
So cool. Good to see them.
So you'll see that yellow line at the bottom, and that is a do not cross line.
Yeah.
And that is a line I did not want to cross.
None of us crossed. We didn't even get close to the line.
No.
We stayed
It's like,
well back.
Don't go to the line. We'll be a metre behind the line. So as soon as we got in, we have to kind of dip our feet in the disinfectant.
Yeah, on the way in and on the way out.
Yeah, they were really strict with all that type of stuff, to be fair, which is really
prevents
good.
the spread of disease.
Yeah, exactly.
Ollie was so upset when he was telling us about how they used to be called Siberian Tigers, but they're extinct in Siberia now. The only place you can find these tigers is in Amur in Russia, and there's only 500 Amur tigers left in the wild.
Yeah, did you know?
It's insane.
There's actually 4,000 tigers around the world that's left.
In the wild.
Yeah, which is just
so sad.
It is sad, isn't it?
But they're doing a lot of work. They've got like a conservation fund that they raise money to try and like help all the species that are endangered or critically endangered.
Yeah.
So we will drop the link to that down below,
Yes.
because it is a good cause.
Yeah.
500 though.
I know.
It's so sad.
Olga took a fancy to Ollie.
Oh, she did.
She likes you, mate. Didn't she? Mm-hmm.
They all have different striped patterns as well. And if you make a shade there, it goes.
I mean, take that whether she liked him
Or she was tweeting.
liked to look at him. I mean, I don't know. She had that look in her eye.
She sat up, bless her.
Yeah, she's like,
she was
ooh,
like, hello.
young one. But Adam was amazing. He went through all different things. He showed us what they eat, the different feeding regimes. He mentioned that they split some of them because Olga can get a little bit grumpy at times.
Yeah, she doesn't go with her sisters anymore,
No.
does she? Or one of her sisters, she doesn't get on with her.
Yeah, but they do rotate them and stuff. So it is, as Ange said, there's a different experience every day.
It was incredible being that close, like bucket list incredible, wasn't
Yeah,
it?
it was really good. It's well worth it, and it's part of the VIP experiences, so it isn't just a one-off for us.
No.
If you want to experience it again, links down below.
Yeah.
I'll check it out because there's loads of good experiences at Chessington. So we're now going straight from one behind the scenes straight into the next. So tigers, awesome, and now we're going to the giraffes.
Tigers are my favourite, but getting to feed a giraffe is like a bucket list thing. I'm wanting to do it forever. I've got to do it.
And they've got the biggest tongues in life.
They were so gentle, like I can't tell you how gentle they were.
Yeah. Because of the size, Ollie was a little bit timid, wasn't he?
Yeah, he was a bit nervous.
Yeah, he didn't want to feed them, so we were gradually doing it. So I held him up and kind of fed him that way, and he was all right with that at first, wasn't he?
Yeah, and then he did feed a carrot baton to one.
Yeah, we managed to get him round.
He did one, but he was just like, I can't believe the smallest one that they've got at Chessington is just over 12 foot tall.
So giraffes go up to about 18 feet.
Yeah, and they have got one that's 17.5 foot, and I can't tell you how tall it is.
He is
like,
massive.
You have to be like this.
Yeah.
In the air to
Did
look
you
up at
feed
him.
him through the gate?
Yeah, we fed him through the bars as well because he wouldn't come round.
The skilled tongue managed to get through the gaps in the fence, take the carrot.
Yeah.
But it was cool. And
It was the best thing ever.
Leanne was the person who showed us round. Leanne,
Yeah.
thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh, it was fantastic.
That was the best experience.
Yeah.
And that's an experience. When Ollie's a tiny bit older, because he was very nervous, we're definitely going to rebook.
Ellie was the person who took us around the gorillas.
Yeah, and it was fascinating learning about their little family group.
Yeah. So we get there and he's like, I'm the boss. Ugh. And like,
Bang, bang,
yeah.
bang.
We were like, wow, okay. I mean, the power you can see on him.
Insane. He was a big silverback gorilla,
Yeah.
and he's like head dude.
Yeah. But not only did we get to see the big guy, and you see him like, they literally like made him stand up and they showed
Yeah.
like how they train him to like show your ear
Yeah, so
and
they
stuff.
can check him to make sure he's healthy.
Yeah. But we also saw a surprise
Oh,
baby gorilla.
she's a month and a half old. Oh my goodness, she is the cutest little gorilla ever.
I'll tell you what, I have never seen an animal be so skilled at taking leaves off a branch.
We all stood there like this.
Like, oh my god.
She passed him a branch and said he'll just sit and strip it now.
I mean,
Yeah.
literally, I was expecting him just to be like clip, clip, clip. No,
Yeah,
I just
no.
went zhush. Done. Right, so we're stepping out of the park now because we are checking in to the Safari Hotel.
That was amazing.
It was so good,
That
wasn't
was
it?
like, honestly, my face is hurting. I've been smiling that
Yeah,
much.
it's so good. And every single one of the things that we've done, you can do yourself.
Yeah.
You can literally book these VIP experiences, which is awesome.
And we will definitely be doing them again. When he's a little bit older and a bit less shy,
Yeah.
we'll definitely be doing all those again.
Yeah. So we're heading in now to Safari. We're going to get all checked in and go to our room.
On the broom.
On the room, broom. Look at this.
On the broom. We've got the room on the broom.
What? Oh wow! Look at this.
Cool, what's in here?
Oh, what's in there?
My bedroom.
What's that?
Oh my
You got a dragon.
goodness.
Dragon. This.
Oh.
Look at that.
Alfredo.
Oh, Ollie's found the wand. Touch the wand to the centre of the puzzle to reveal magic words. Whoa! Can we just point out though the trees for the theming? So like, look at that.
So cool. And the moon's alight. The moon's
Oh no way!
Ah, it's a campfire.
It's a campfire.
Jump. Ah.
So, if you're wanting to have a full room tour of this room, head over to the link that's in the top right hand side, and you will get the full room tour. I mean, look at that for a view. That's look.
He's proper getting.
Oh, come and look.
Ollie, look at the ostrich.
I can see him.
Can you?
Yeah. He actually can.
You can literally see them from his bed.
I just love the ostrich. He's so light. Look at him. He's running. He's running with his wings out. Look at him.
Oh, he's getting them told. Right, so out of the room and on to our first experience that was on that welcome leaflet.
Yeah, we're going to meet in some animals.
We're going to do a small, mini animal meet and greet, yeah?
Yes.
And that's over at the Aztec Hotel, so we're heading over there now. I think he's excited.
Oh my goodness.
His name's Tank. Wow. What do you think, Cole?
How cool is he? You've always wanted to see one, haven't you? Yeah.
Yeah, so they eat lots of insects. We give them like mealworms and locusts.
What do you think of the armadillo?
It was
Great. How cool was it?
great.
That was so cool. I've only ever seen an armadillo on the side of a highway before, so that day made.
Right, now we've done the mini meet and greet. Where are we going, Ange?
Back to Chessington.
Yeah, Chessington are giving us reserve and ride, and we haven't used it yet, so we need to make the most of it, right?
I'm loving it. This is like going to be one of the most themed rooms we've ever stayed in.
So we're back in Chessington. Ollie, first ride, what's it going to be?
Scorpion Express.
Scorpion Express.
He seems so happy about that.
Can I do it?
Do it.
Boom.
Reserve.
Get on in 1 minute.
1 minute? We best hurry up then. We have been kicked to the curb.
He doesn't. I wanted him to go on. I like this one. It like has the coolest bouncy. You can make your belly get got on this one. Like, just press up and down all the time, and it like bounces.
I did it!
Right, so just been to the shop and I said, Ollie, because you fed the giraffe earlier on, because he was a little bit scared, you can have a small £5 giraffe toy.
£6, they were £6.
Oh yeah, £6 giraffe toy. Ollie, what does a £6 giraffe toy look like? Yeah, 3 different toys. None of them are a giraffe.
So we realised we've got a giraffe one at home. For one, we've got a giraffe toy.
I mean, I'll be completely honest, I thought I could get away with him not actually needing the giraffe toy. But then Andrew's just like, yeah, have them all.
Yeah, but so, Ollie wanted the goat, I wanted the bat and Gaz wanted the rhino.
No, I didn't want the rhino. I just said the rhino's the coolest.
So Ollie's suggestion was, well, Gaz can have the rhino, I can have the bat and he can have the goat.
To which I said no and Ange said yes. I don't know. Right, anyway, we've got some food now, haven't we? We're going to the Zafari Bar and Grill. Zafari.
Zoofari is the ride.
Yeah, Zafari Bar and Grill. And Jack at the front desk recommended the kebab.
He did.
So I'm having the kebab. You okay?
Hello over there. Look at that mane.
I mean, I don't think I can. Yeah, you have to take it. That's impressive.
That's amazing. Look at the size of it.
I'm looking forward to that.
It smells delicious as well.
It does.
Like the flavour smell. The smell coming off that is.
Oh, char grilled chicken. Do you know what this
I can't see you.
What
There's a
smell
chicken
reminds
face
me
in
of?
front of your face.
It reminds me of the Polynesian.
Does it?
Oh,
There's literally a chicken in front of your face.
look at that.
Oh, cool.
That's quality. How good's that?
Oh, the sauce is good.
Right.
Oh, baconaise sauce. It literally tastes of bacon.
There are 2 restaurants here. So you have Zafari and you have the Temple Bar and Grill, which is very themed.
Very themed restaurant.
Yeah, it is good. But we highly recommend Zoofari, don't we?
Yeah, Zafari.
Yes, that one. We recommend that because the food is actually really, really good quality.
Yeah, the evening meal was so good. So good.
So good. And there's so many perks about staying on site with Chessington if you're staying and wanting to go into the park. So you get the early access, don't you? The hour before.
The best thing.
It is cool, isn't it?
Yeah, we got on so much.
Yes, there's tons of rides you can go on before, and you can't go on them all, but there is a list that you get, and you kind of also get this welcome thing when you check in as well, so it has all the information about what you can go on. It's got the early ride stuff on there. Exclusive access to Amazu.
That is so much fun running around Amazu with like hardly anyone in there.
Yeah, it's really good.
Yeah.
It would just basically be big kids, and you get to see all the monkeys and all the other animals that are around there, which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
And then Wanyama.
You get to wander around Wanyama Reserve.
Wanyama. So this again is only exclusively open now to hotel guests. So it's a lot quieter if you go home during the day.
And You don't have to waste part-time doing it during the day if you're staying here.
This is very true. There's another play area in the Wanyama area that's open for kids at night as well.
I do that. I do that.
Yep. Slide it.
Watch this.
Typical boy.
Typical boy.
And then you have access to the reserve to be able to see it, so you get to see the zebras and all that type of stuff.
So they got a kids club called the Rangers Academy. Oh, they loved it.
The actual kids clubs people are fantastic, aren't they?
Yeah, they were so good with the kids. They had them running from one side of the room to the other.
Yeah, I mean, they were decorating with Mardi Gras. They had like Mardi Gras masks and they were parading them around the room.
Oh, they did a parade, didn't they? That was so sweet, the parade.
It was really good, that wasn't it?
So, we were just about to, go to bed for the night. And then Jack at front desk was like, "Hey, have you done the treasure hunt around Chessington?"
Serengeti Seekers Scavenger Trail.
And we love a scavenger trail.
We do.
So, we're going to go around now and have a quick look, see if we can find it.
Our first clue, hello adventurers, here's your first clue. I'm just round the corner and my tongue colour's blue.
So, giraffe blue tongue, and then there's a letter. Oh, look at that!
Sheets and some pencils. Well done.
What do you say, buddy? What's that? What did you get?
I got the treasure.
Whoa!
And we know the name of the rhino. So everyone meet Gayazi.
Al?
Yes.
Do you know that the Azteca Hotel and the Safari Hotel are two different hotels?
Yeah.
Well, this is the bridge that bridges them together.
You're on a bridge, Ollie, look down. You're on a bridge.
But not on the look down. You can't see above, can you? Because the vinyl's too big.
He's not the only one.
You can not see as well. There you go. This is the only part that's separate, that joins the two together. The theming in these hotels are
So
brilliant, aren't they?
So
But all the floors like falling to bits. You're gonna fall through, mate. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, that one's broken. Watch that one. What about this one? Don't fall down. Ooh!
watch the lizard.
Ollie, you're gonna have to jump this last bit.
Oh my.
Do it.
Ready?
I mean, I'm not gonna lie, if he did it, if he tried jumping, he'd have fallen straight down. We want to take a second just to thank Chessington
Yeah.
and
that's-
also Merlin Annual Pass.
The experience you've provided us for this stay has just been incredible.
Yes.
And we feel really lucky to have been able to do the animal experiences we got to do yesterday.
Yeah, and to also
And to
stay
stay here,
in this room.
room.
Yeah, so just for clarity, all the experiences that we did and the hotel that we're staying in at the moment were provided by Chessington World of Adventures, and we haven't paid for them. If you are a Merlin Annual Pass holder, you have access to the Merlin Holiday Club, which they have offers all year round for hotels just like this, where you can go and stay for cheaper than it would be if you went directly to the website.
Yeah, I believe it's from £79.
So all the details are available in the description down below, so go and check them out. But again, thank you for Chessington and Merlin Annual Pass for allowing us to come and stay out.
Thank you so much. I don't want to pack up and go. I want to sit and watch the giraffes eat the leaves.
And that's it, guys. That is the end of our day here, or 2 days, at Chessington World of Adventures.
It's been amazing.
Hasn't it?
Yeah.
Until next time.
We'll see you on our next adventure.
Catch you later.
Bye.